Yo, let me get these rims to put it on that Volkswagen.
Psych. So what should we do today, boys?
I'm gonna go wash my car.
I'm gonna go wash my car, fuck you. I let Donovan drive my car for some reason. He hates on it, but he's been wanting to drive it. So,
Hold up.
no, don't come in here with that. I don't know why he wheels off. I wasn't having them. Oh, you're in first still. Now they're for sale. He can't get in third.
Dude, your car is weird. Your shifter is your shift knob not? Look at this. Why is that even on there?
Make it right skis.
You need to fix your shifter.
Give it a little second. Oh, go back second. Go hit it.
Well done.
Oh god. VR6 power boy. So debating going to get to him today. But there's new news that I might be getting. Don't let him in.
What the fuck did
Crack your window, bro. Crack your window.
Can we help you?
Yo,
Now I really fucked up. I don't know why I'm letting this man drive. But I'm doing it for the vlog, I guess. Sun right here. Oh, he's stalling. He's like still. Oh my goodness. Get out of there. You're in third. Fucked up. He was in third and burned my clutch. This man does not know how to drive. Look about to block off traffic. Look at Ronnie. Yo, who taught you how to drive? Go around him. Bro, this man is holding up traffic. Yo, park the car.
You wanna go help him out?
No, I wanna watch this. Bro! Tell me what happened.
I forgot it was a German vehicle.
You forgot how to drive what?
I forgot it was a German vehicle.
Oh, parked the car. Came out here in third. Burning clutches.
Never.
Oh my goodness.
Man, shut the fuck up.
I fucked up. Way to start my vlog.
I forgot it was a German.
Give me my keys.
I'm out. Devin's reverse ain't in first, is it?
What?
Devin's reverse?
Same shit.
Calabrese.
Same shit.
I don't remember.
A Civic reverse.
What you mean?
You try to go to the right, you try to go 6th gear. You was trying to go to 6th gear.
You should have said first and I would have did it quicker, but then I forgot.
I said park the car. What?
Are these all John's?
You don't smoke.
Bro, it's mine.
This is yours?
Tommy, stop touching my shit.
Yo.
What's your name?
Kate.
Bob.
Bob what?
The builder. I'm wanted right now.
Caught by a 9-year-old might have a broken nose or whatever.
Damn. I know how that feels. I broke my shit plenty of times.
Fuck you.
Stopped out of Vans, get some rags, sent Donovan in. Better wash the whips. So, it is tomorrow. Yesterday, I stopped the vlog because I got a phone call saying someone wanted to buy my Jetta, my VR6. I had that for sale, so I was planning on doing it, so I sold it. Now I got this. I got the car I wanted. I've been wanting a TDI, and I got it. So, just want to show you guys because I think it's fucking awesome. I'm loving it. It's pretty clean. And now we can make vlogs about building it. Soon gonna be straight pipe lowered and all that types of bullshit. It's gonna be taken care of. It does have 200,000 miles on it, but we'll get over it. Deuce!